So today we've had to clutch out the 46. Well, we did that yesterday. We had to clutch out the 46 because the release bearing that we fitted was kaput. It was a new one, obviously, but it was just failed instantly. But I thought, while we had that out again, I'm gonna get this relined at bonding and relining services in Leicester. Gonna fly over there now, speak to Connor. I think it's about 84 quid, 85 pound, and what he's gonna do is he's gonna reline this for me. So the things that look like brake pads, they're gonna be brand new again. So we are here at Bonding and Lining Services in Leicester. This is our before of the clutch. Let's have a look. Right, so there's not an awful lot of meat left on there. There's a bit, but I don't really want to be taking it in and out. So Connor is now going to reline these brake pad looking things, so let's call them friction pads for now. So yeah, there's our before. Sweet.
What have you done doing? Oh, do you know what? You're going. Come on. What have you done doing?
Bonding, relining services. Get it right, Zach. So yeah, give him a ring, speak to Connor, and he'll sort you out.